The session, yeah, recording started. Recording started, na? So in this session, we will just have a look into linking a task with the primary ticket. So when the task is basically created when we do assistance for a particular ticket, we help primary case owner in case of any implementation or any operation cases. So here we will take an example. Here we have one case which is in progress and the agent is already been assigned, and the particular case need an assistant basically. So I want to link a task for the particular case. So what I'll do, I click over here. Okay. After clicking the task column, this particular page will pop up. Okay. And I will select the asset type as a blank select. Because while clicking, after clicking this, you will able to select the category and subcategory. Then you have to go for selecting the category activity. Here I can helping team member, for example. Okay, and I'll just click the start date. For example, I started this support task at 5:24. So I'll do this by 25. SLA I have to select as it is a task SLA. I have to select here task SLA, and I have to select which engineer will be assisting me. I am selecting Chetan Pawar. I will add it. Okay, workflow as I open. I will add this. Make sure while selecting the SLA, you should mark the SLA as a task SLA. Okay, and you have to save that particular task. So see, the task is being generated, linking to the primary ticket. So whenever you're helping, or there are multiple team members are involved into particular task that is linked to a primary ticket. This is the method we use to link the task for a primary ticket. Thank you.